Are you behind on investing? Or maybe you're starting late? If so, then you may be retiring with half the wealth at your counterparts. I'm Dakota Grady, GG the Money Coach, and I'm all about helping you to master your finances. Let's dive into the conversation. You're starting investing, but you feel behind and you feel like you don't have enough time to really grow your wealth. Drop in the chat below if that's you. Well, today we're talking on just that because I want you to be able to feel confident in your investing journey no matter where you are. Here are some things that are holding you back from investing. The first thing that's holding you back from investing is you have low wages. In fact, the McKinsey Institute said that 43% of some people, some workers, are in jobs that pay less than $30,000 per year. Say you got a family of four. Living on $30,000 is pretty tight, right? So how do you move beyond that? Well, if you have low wages, it makes it difficult for you to invest. It makes it so difficult for you to really put the money away that you really want to. How do you overcome that? I recommend increase your income. Go back to school, get a skill, get a trade, work overtime, second job, start a business, do whatever you can to increase your income. Because if you have more money, you have more opportunity to grow your wealth by buying assets, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, 401k, if your job offers one, Roth IRA, traditional IRA, real estate if you can afford it. But do what you can do to raise your income level so that you can improve the quality of your life and the quality of your retirement account. Second thing is, it's hindering people from growing their wealth and they're behind or starting later because the employer may not offer a 401k. You can't control that, but some employers are too small to offer a 401k, and it's fine. But that doesn't excuse you from starting one on your own, meaning you can start your own account, not a 401k, but a Roth IRA, traditional IRA, outside of your job. That's right. I have one. When I lost my job years ago, I had a 401k. I rolled that money from my 401k over to a Roth IRA. Now, when I did that, I paid taxes on it because the 401k, when I invested in that account, I invested with pre-tax dollars, meaning I invested in that account before I paid taxes on it. So when I took the money out of it, I paid taxes on it and put the money in a Roth IRA, which means I invested with after-tax dollars. So now my Roth IRA is growing tax-free. When I take money out of it in retirement, I won't pay taxes on it. So I want you to do the same. You can do a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA. Traditional IRA is similar to a 401k, meaning you're going to invest money with pre-tax dollars. That means you put money into the account before it's taxed. When the money comes out in retirement, then you pay taxes. But the caveat is, if you're making more income, when you retire, you have a higher tax bracket, then you're going to pay more taxes. So if you can, I recommend starting a Roth IRA, even though both are limited in what you can invest, meaning the Roth and traditional IRA. But the whole point is, there are accounts that the IRS allows you to invest, the Roth IRA, and with the Roth, you don't pay taxes on it when you take the money out of it. In the traditional IRA, you pay taxes when you take the money out of it. So you're not taxed at that time. It gives you an opportunity to grow your wealth. The Roth is the best in my opinion, even though your job doesn't offer 401k. So you're not off the hook. And the third reason I may be behind because you lack home ownership. Harvard University said that 43% of people, some households, own homes compared to 74% of counterparts. So that means a lot of people don't own homes. And things are going up, prices, inflation since COVID. Again, it goes back to you making more income. If you can make more income, you can afford a house. Because if you can manage your finances well, if you and your spouse are both working jobs, making good money, decent money, and you're not struggling, you should be able to afford a home. And if you can save enough money to pay cash for a house, do it. I know that's weird, but don't go in debt for 30 years. And I heard some guy talking about doing a 50-year mortgage. That's not good. That's not good. I recommend getting a 15-year mortgage. It's plan B, pay it off in 10 to 15 years. Plan A is to pay cash for a house Plan B, get a 15-year mortgage and pay it off in 15 years or less. Now, if this will help to you, I want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel and also keep watching the next video to get value about building your personal finances and living the life that you want. I'll see you in the next video.